Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 free websites to earn money online, and it's no investment required. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I mean any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to the first website so you can learn how to make this money. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the first website. The name of this website is Appin. So on this website, you're going to be doing part-time flexible jobs, and this is available all around the world, guys. So they got projects you can click right here to apply for. They got micro tasks you can click right here to apply for. Surveys and data collection, and you click right here to apply for that. Now they do have a mobile app. They have it available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. So you'll be able to find more jobs you love. They have corporate jobs. You click right here to learn more about that. And right here they just talk about their culture, the performance and the honesty, and their code of ethics. So this is a good website, guys. Now let me show you what type of jobs you can be able to apply for. I have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So I'm inside my account. So here are all the different type of jobs right here, guys, as you can see. There's a very good job right here, business phone number collection. So all you can do is find the correct phone number, so you get paid for doing that. Right here, business hours collection. So you collect the business hours for the operation. Simple task. Alright, that's all I'm going to say about this website. So to find this website, just go to appin.com/jobs. Now let me go to the next one. Okay guys, I'm at the next website. Name of this website is Lionbridge. So this website is all about translation. So you're going to get paid to do some translation. So what you're going to do when you come to this website, all you're going to do is scroll all the way down and click on Join Our Team. And it's going to take you to this page. And then they just talk about what you're going to be doing. And they have full and part-time jobs and over 42 offices. And here are the current job opens right here. They got translators and agencies, interpreters, gaming. Notice on employment and recruiting. So I'm not going to talk too much about this site, guys, but this is the site you go to apply. It's free to apply for these jobs, and they pay pretty good, guys. So go to lionbridge.com and go to Join Our Team. Now let me go to the next website. Okay guys, I'm at the next website. The name of this website is User Interviews. So on this website, you're just going to be sharing your opinion. So once you sign up, you're going to get some studies, and you go through those studies and give your opinion on those studies. So it says they want to earn money participating in user research. So you just click right here to apply. And here are some people that's talking about the studies that they have done on this website. And right here, these are just prices that they charge their customers that come to this website, guys. So this is a pretty good website, guys. You should go ahead and check this out. Free to join. And you have some jobs you can participate in. And you get paid just to share your opinion. Now, let me go to the next website. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. I need you to do me a favor while you're watching this video. Hit that like button for me. And make sure you subscribe and share this video. Now, let's get back to it. Okay, I'm at the next website. I've talked about this website in the past. The name of it is Try My UI. So you're going to get paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback. And as you can see here, they pay $10 for each test you take. It takes about approximately 20 minutes. You just fill this out to get started. You need to have a PayPal account to get paid. So guys, basically that's this on this website. You're just going to get paid to test websites and apps. You click right here to get paid to test. Now let me go to the last website. Okay guys, I'm at the last website. Name of this website is Scribie. So this is an audio video transcription. So once you get to this website, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down here, and you're going to click on freelancers. It's going to take you here, and you can get started. I'll just read a little bit right quick. So you can earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. So if you transcribe in an audio and it takes an hour, you're going to get up to $20, guys. And I'll just go over it right quick how it works. So you're going to listen. So required skills are listening ability and good comprehension of English. Then you're going to correct. So apply context. Identify mistakes and correct the automated transcript. Then you're going to get paid $5 to $20 per audio hour paid into your verified PayPal account. And guys, you have the potential to make $800 a month just doing this type of transcription. Alright guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. So go ahead and go to Scribie.com and click on freelancers at the bottom of the website, and you can click on here to get started. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 20 likes, and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these websites. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, thank you for tuning in. I hope I brought some value to you guys today. Let's go, let's get it. Road to 8,000. I know we can get there, guys. Let's get there by the end of this month of June. All right? On that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.